Hi everyone, Gil here, CEO of the Asset Center, the American Survival School and Emergency Training Center. Coming at you here from the Camp Patton Family Compound in Idaho. Got another earthquake alert for you, a 7.4 earthquake. Alright, stay tuned, I'll tell you all about it. Okay, so yesterday there was a 7.4 earthquake approximately 100 miles east of Batung. That's Bitung in Indonesia. So basically some of the areas experienced up to 20 inches of a tsunami, 20-inch tsunami. So as far as all the reports I've been able to find out, there are no reported deaths and no reported serious injuries. So we skated on that one, but a 7.4, that is a pretty serious earthquake. All right, so let's take a look and see at some of the pictures here and see where it's at. All right, in this first picture, you see a star in the middle. That's the epicenter of the 7.4 earthquake. Off to the left, you see Batung, which is about 100 miles away. And to the right, you'll see another landmass, which is about 86 miles away. Let's look at the next picture. And this one here shows how it was felt around there. So yeah, it was felt, some of these are pretty significant shakes over there on the peninsula. All right, now on this map from the USGS, the blue dot here is the 7.4. There was one 6.0 aftershock, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 5.0 or greater aftershocks in this area. So fortunately it was out in the ocean and not on land, otherwise there would have been loss of life and a lot of property damage. All right, because it was out there in the water, only had upwards of 20 inches increased waves, for a tsunami. So not much real damage anywhere reported. So we really skated on this one. So as always, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.